Okay, so today's topic is about commercial software. In previous lecture, we have seen what copyright, then copyleft, the work of copyright, copyleft, right? And opportunity for the companies and opportunity for the individual. जिसमें हमने कुछ examples देखे थे ये सब जो which is included in FOSS, right? So ये हमने previous lecture में देखा था. So now today's topic is about commercial software. Commercial software industry is the largest and important industry in the world. So commercial software is the largest industry in the world. Many people say that commercial software can be strengthened by the use of open source technique. You know very well now open source and closed source software, right? So commercial software is a design to bring or provide the access cost for and most of it is. Against it is a price tag. Commercial software is often long form perfect. Whenever market and customer demand varies, that time commercial assets या products will be updated as early as possible. Because of this software can be rewrite and regenerate too frequently in early version of commercial software, having result in high rates of bugs. Some commercial programs are written in a poor code and over design that have advantages to expand program. The skill of coders are in taking personal honor in what they do. When source code is available, it can be check many backdoors and also security holes that may be unintentionally left in a closed source software. In that past, this type of holes has been found in many closed assets or you can say that product in that includes software that is used by the government. If there is a source code available, that means the software can be easily protected. Okay, if source code is available, okay, if source code available. So what we can say that software is easily retained. Okay. So you, sorry, if source code are available, then that software is easily what protected. Okay, that runs on different processors. Suppose abhi source code available, then you can run on different processor, right? On different platform, you can say. Okay, different processor. Okay, you can say device or operating system. In this, if source code available, then you can run in different processor device and different operating system. Okay, so here commercial software, I said about commercial software. The commercial software is the industry, it is a large and important industries in the world. Okay. So here if source code is available, then it run on different processor device and or any operating system OS. Closed software can only be legally protected by the original developer. So here closed source, I already have explained closed and open source, right? So here closed software, you know very well now, and open software also you know. So can only be legally supported by original developer. You know why? Because it doesn't give access to any means because with the help of this closed sorting software, only developer, end user, or you can say the owner of that particular मतलब जिसने ये बनाया है सॉफ्टवेयर एप्लीकेशन वट एवर so उसकी without permission you can't changes, you can't modify. So here I said close of only can only be legally protected by original developer. Another problem with traditional commercial software is this close nature. There is a limited or no freedom to change with the copyright assets, means copyright product. Here you can't change the copyright product. Okay, this is the problem of in commercial software in traditional way. There is a limited or no freedom, no freedom to change with copyright. No, you know very well I said copyright, copyleft, the work of this, right? If we have study, if you want, then go and check the previous video what the work of copyright, copyleft, right? So here no freedom to copyright the product. Open source software gives the freedom. So here I said the closed source not give freedom, but open source is give this freedom. Open source software give the open source software. I'm writing like this. You don't write like this in exam, okay? Give the freedom. About means a developer user can change the code. He can develop the what particular app, particular so any app software application where with the help of their means if he can change the source code, then he can they can she can add it, update the herself itself themselves some line of coding, and they can change the code, having freedom. But in closed source no freedom is there. Okay, we have already studied about closed source and open source, the work of closed source, open source, free source, right? And different between of these. So I hope कि आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा कि why in open source software having freedom, right? So there is a limited or no freedom to change with develop copyright a product. Open source software give the freedom to user or individual to use it as per is needed. Okay, commercial software are frequently locked into product because to keep using data file, you are often focused to continue to use the same program. If you want to share the upgrade file with other user, then you have upgrade yourself or be written off as irrelevant. So initialization here, initial, let me, okay, initialization here, let's see, initialization. This is the new point of this. Okay, so let's see what's there in initialization. Okay. It is the process of implementation and planning of product. Initialization means start. Initialize means शुरुआत करना, starting. So it is a process of implementation and planning of product. So initialization मतलब अगर आप कोई प्रोजेक्ट बनाते हो, okay, और उसका initialization state क्या होगी कि you have to planning on this project, या you have to implement the project, या मतलब आपको प्रोजेक्ट में क्या है करना है, कैसे बनाना है. Suppose you have to कुछ प्रोजेक्ट बनाना है, आपको कार बनानी है या कोई कंपोनेंट्स आईओटी बेस पर कोई रोबोट्स बनाना है, मतलब जो भी आपको प्रोडक्ट बनाना है, फर्स्ट यू हैव टू डू प्लानिंग, राइट? दैट इज इनिशियलाइजेशन. पहले आपको प्लानिंग करना होगा, देन उसको आपको कितने कंपोनेंट्स लगेंगे या कितना आपको रिक्वायरमेंट, कोडिंग सोर्स, हर एक चीज आपको प्लानिंग करनी होगी. इनिशियलाइज करनी होगी, राइट? So it is a process of implementation and planning, और planning करना होगा उसके लिए, of product and service so that they can be easily fit to specific local language. And you can say this process is called localization. Okay, if you planning, if you about service, about whatever you want to do, you first initialization, you have to plan, then work, service, and all, then it will fit in what in specific local language, that is called localization. Okay, initialization, that is called localization. The initialization process is sometimes called as localization translation. मतलब initialization process is sometimes called initialization. 1 minute, let me type. Initialization, initialization, initialization process. Initialization process also called, also called, 1 minute, some disturbance there. Let 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Okay, sorry for. Okay, initialization process here. What I said is also initialization process also called localization. Okay, localization is also called localization. Initial process is also called localization. Sometime localization, or you can say translation. Then it involves the granting to space in user interface. For example, online menu. Okay, then hardware labels and help pages. For conversion into language, that requirement more character. Conversion into language, I already said. Now first, what it is a process of implementation and planning of product and service, so that they can be easily fit to specific local language and culture. This process is called localization, and I say that now initialization process also called the localization. So that's why here what given, for conversion into languages that require more character. To convert into language require more character. Okay, to convert into to language, require what? Require more character. Let's see this character. Okay, let's see. First character is like developing with product that you can support initialization character sets. That is Unicode, means developing developing okay, developing with product. First character is developing with product. Okay, then that can support developing product that can support, okay, that can support international character. Okay, international character, 1 minute, that can support the international character. I am writing short CHR, that it means character. Okay, international character sets. So वो sets क्या होगा? That is Unicode. Okay, Unicode. Then second one, 1 minute, let me correct. Okay, then second one, user use written example that have global meaning. Means इसमें एक ऐसा एग्जांपल होना जिसमें ग्लोबल मीनिंग हो. Okay, use written example have global global. Then next one, creating website. Okay, we will see in our practical session how to create website. Okay, after this first and after some lecture, कुछ lectures के बाद हम लोग practical भी देखेंगे फर्स्ट में, लाइक कि हम लोग ओपन सोर्स, क्लोज सोर्स, या मतलब कैसे हम लोग फ्रीली सॉफ्टवेयर यूज करके कुछ डेवलप कर सकते हैं, लाइक वेबसाइट, शॉर्ट वेबसाइट कैसे बना सकते हैं, या वॉट एवर जो भी है हम लोग उसके भी वर्किंग देखेंगे. ओके, इन my next lecture, yeah, after 3-4 lecture. Okay, so here just now understand only it's help to creating the website, right? Graphic images. Okay, graphic images, image or print, so their text label can be converted inexpensively. Okay, so this is a points of initialization. Means let's revise first. Initialization, it is a process of implementation and planning of product and service, so that they can be easily fit to specific local language and cultures. This process is called localization. So the initialization process is the sometimes called as localization enabled translation or translation. Okay. And so for some characteristics are given here to convert into local language require more character. So like this developing with product that can support international character sets that is Unicode, then use written example that have global meaning, then creating the website graphic image. Okay, now let's move on. uh, Details of initialization. Okay. Again, details of initialization. It is a design process that ensure a product, usually a software. Means the initialization is a design process. Okay. So usually a software application that can be fitted into various languages. Okay. So, and religion without requiring engineering modification into source code. It can save significant expense time than for everyone involved. Following are some benefits of includes. Here in initialization, some benefits are includes benefits. Okay, let's see the benefit. First one, easy to fit. Okay, easy to fit in software. In soft Easy to fit in software application to multiple locals. Then decrease second, then decrease and decrease the time decrease the time and cost of localization and sorry, decreases the time and cost of cost of localization. Okay, then third one, let me do third one, what single initialization. Okay, single initialization source code for all version. It's having the single initialization with source codes having for all version. Okay, हर type के version में ये यूज हो किया जा सकता है source code of all version. mean आप you know very well now version means what की one version, two version, update version भी version, right? इस वर्जन में भी वर्क हो सकता है इसका. ओके, देन इजी टू मेंटेन. इट्स नो मीन्स कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी नहीं है मेंटेन करने में. सो इजी टू मेंटेन हियर. देन next is fifth one. Fifth one. Let's see the fifth one. What is the fifth one? So here increase quality and code architecture. Here increase the quality. Okay, so increase 1 minute. Increase here, increase the quality, and code, increase the quality and code architecture. Okay, code architecture. Okay, so here these benefits of what I said here, a design process that assures a product, usually a software application that can be fitted into various languages religion without requiring engineering modification into source code. It can save significant expense, time and head header. मतलब with the help of initialization it save the time, because I already said कि अगर 1 minute, sorry. ओके, और चलिए अगर आप यू हैव ऑलरेडी मतलब आप अगर आपने प्लानिंग ये रख कर रखी किसी प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर, सो आपका हेडेक भी कम होगा, बिकॉज यू विल गो एज पर द प्लानिंग कि हमें कितने डेवलपर्स लगने वाले, कितने सोर्स कोडिंग के लिए लगने वाले, वॉट एवर यू वांट टू डेवलप योर प्रोडक्ट या कोई भी प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करना है आपको, तो उसके लिए आपको जैसे यू हैव टू फर्स्ट प्लानिंग. So with the before planning, before this coming initialization state, it can significant expense time, right? And headache for everyone involved. Following are some benefit to I-18 includes, मतलब the like easy to fit in software application to multiple locals, decrease the time and cost localization, then single initialization source code for all version, easy to maintain, then increase quality and code architecture, then decrease overall cost. Then 61 is 61 is what? One is decrease, here increase, and here decrease the what overall cost means. Cost comes कम से कम cost में you have to do, because overall cost of ownership of many version of the product. Okay. Following are some practical example and define how initialization demanding to many products. It does not depend on specific language. So in practical example, what? Practical example. Practical example. First, it does not depend on specific language. Does not depend. Sorry. Okay. Does not depend on स्पेसिफिक लैंग्वेज, मतलब किसी किसी एक लैंग्वेज पे डिपेंड नहीं करता है. मीन्स व्हाट टाइप ऑफ लैंग्वेज, जैसे कि लेट मी एक्सप्लेन, नॉट यूर हिंदी मराठी लैंग्वेज. इन हम लोगों की इसमें एक लैंग्वेज होती है लाइक सी प्लस जावा वट एवर, पाइथन एंड ऑल. सो ये हर एक किसी एक लैंग्वेज पे डिपेंड नहीं करता है, किसी भी लैंग्वेज के थ्रू रन हो सकता है. ओके. देन इट डज नॉट डिपेंड ऑन स्पेसिफिक कन्वर्शन. It delete and hard coded text, reduce the construct text string, use inline variable are careful, then compatibility with third party tools, and so on. This is the practical example. मतलब it does not depend on specific conversion, delete the hard coded text, then reduce the con text string, reduce the text string, then use of, मतलब वो टेक्स्ट की जो स्ट्रिंग होती है उसको रिड्यूस कम से कम कॉम्प्रेस करके ही वर्क करने का काम करते हैं. ओके. यूज ऑफ लाइन वेरिएबल्स आर केयरफुल, जो लाइन वेरिएबल होती है उसको केयरफुली दिस वर्क. ओके. Then it is an important business to consider the various market of product will be the objective and make the necessary transformation early in the product. Design and development. Many users have know how the disassociation of non-initialization product from not having the currency they expect. Text box or fields are too small or too large to their content, and you can say this certification small and big. For business and product to succeed in internationally is critical. Development team and software engineers can responsible for initialization. मतलब जब कोई प्रोजेक्ट बनाते हैं तो इनिशियलाइजेशन में डेवलपमेंट टीम जो डेवलप करते हैं पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट, और सॉफ्टवेयर जो कि चेक करते हैं, हर एक सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्ट करते हैं, चेक करते हैं. ओके. दे आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दिस initialization advantages. The advantages of these advantages. Yeah, advantages, may you can say that initialization is about design to make the activity internal to frame. Initialization come about from market, then frames having a ownership advantages of as a product through the expansion of their own organization. Then to use initialization, these advantages will obtain more than non equity transfer potential or real profits. Advantages and disadvantages of initialization. Advantages: increase the annual net profit. Its first advantage is increase the annual profit. Okay, this is the first advantage: profit or cash flow by transferring. Okay, using foreign sales. Then second one is using foreign sales potential to achieve volume effects by increasing the quantity. Okay, here increasing quantity, how possible to use foreign sales. Okay, foreign means you know very well foreign से भी sales होती है. Okay, so using the foreign sales potential to achieve the volume effect. Okay, volume effect होगा, then you can by increasing the quantity, then improving performance, and especially then third one is improving performance. Improve performance. Okay, how, let's see. Okay, here improving performance and especially the capacity for innovation by means of learning effect in the foreign market. Okay, then fourth one, this diverse certification by means of cycling development in markets that need to be cultivated. मतलब कैन से दैट हाउ मतलब जो भी पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट की रिक्वायरमेंट है वो साइक्लिंग फॉर्म में ऑलवेज कल्टिवेटेड होती रहेंगी. ओके, देन दिस इज द एडवांटेजेस, देन लेट्स सी डिसएडवांटेजेस. हाई इनिशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट. सो हियर इन डिसएडवांटेजेस में हाई इन्वेस्टमेंट यू हैव टू, ये इंक्रीज द एनुअल प्रॉफिट, बट you for this you require the high investment, right? Here first advantage is that increase the annual profit, then disadvantage is that high initial investment are necessary. For example, for distribution system, if you invest the high, then you can get the annual profit good or in good way. But if you not invest, then you thinking that okay, high increase profit ho, so not possible. So that is a disadvantage, that you have to first invest high quality quantity में आपको invest करना होता है. Then second disadvantage you can say costly product. Diverse satisfaction due to the, for example, technological difference or different structure or demand can be prerequisite for successful foreign market cultivation. मतलब here you require highest costly product, you have to just buy then from the foreign sale, and then you can use it here. Less forever competitive structure on the foreign market include the risks. For example, price war into local companies. Then infractual difference includes the risks of establishing business abroad. So some we have seen the about initialization here. Commercial software we have seen here, we can see the source code available, suppose run on different process device. Then closed software means what we know. Then open software we know, right? Initialization is also called localization here. Then we see the languages types. Okay, characters is there here. Okay, then is the benefits of these. Then practical example we have seen advantages and the disadvantages. In next session we will see social impact. Okay, so here again is there here in this syllabus, open source and closed source. Open source is you know very well difference. Open source is a software in which software code is freely available on internet to download, right? And closed source is a software in which source code is not freely available on the internet to download. User doesn't need to pay for the use of open source software. If you are using open source software, then user does not pay. But in closed source software, user need to pay for the use of closed source software, right? Then open source software means here you are there. So we are again see here. Open source software is distributed under the different types of license, like LGPL we have studied, GNU we have seen, BSD we have seen. Then closed source software. Some source software is distributed as shareware. Shareware is via shareware you can the closed source software is distributed. Then in open source software, it is a fully functional version of the software with ultimate amount of option is available to use. But in closed source, it is a fully functional version of software, but either with limited amount of options are available to use. In open source software, there is no limitation to set period of time, right? And in closed software, there is a limit. मतलब in open source limit नहीं है, but in closed source there is a limitation to set period of time after that software will be automatically disabled. Means so closed software में कुछ times limit होगी, अगर वो time limit out होने के बाद आपका वो particular वो है वो disable हो जाएगा. Okay, So here in open source, large organization distribute the source code such as Apache Open, Office, Mozilla, etc. extra. Then in closed source, one of the most common shareware that springs in Doom, a first-person shooters. In open source software, user can modify, change, or edit the code. In in this why we are seeing open and close, because here there, so I'm again giving telling you as revision. Okay, and in closed source software it is in this user cannot change, modify, means the user cannot change, modify, edit the code. He can only access the code and use it, means you can just access and use it, but you can't modify, update, and whatever you can't do. Okay, just you can study, you can use it. In open source you can do it. Okay, anyone can change the source code for his personal or professional purpose in open source. But in closed source, only developer or owner, means suppose मैंने कुछ software बनाया है, तो it's only having my rights to do it, to change it. But no one can except me. No one can do this. So only developer or owner or organization team can change the source code in closed source. So in again open source software, example of open source software are you can say GNU image manipulate on program. Example of closed source software are Microsoft Word, Adobe Photoshop. Then open source software fees, if any, are for integration, packing, support, and consulting. Fees are for software license, maintenance, and upgrade. सॉफ्टवेयर सॉफ्ट में लाइसेंस या मेंटेन करने को, अपग्रेड को, जैसे कि आप एंटीवायरस को पे करते हो, राइट? विदाउट पेइंग यू कांट, आप अपने एंटीवायरस की सीडी से आप वो नहीं कर सकते अपने पीसी में भी. सो इट इज द टाइप ऑफ क्लोज, सो यू कैन से. Then subscribing ID permitted, subscribing is prohibited. Okay, then Wikipedia is an example of open source software. Microsoft and is the example of the closed source software. So here we have study about open source, means we have seen open source, what is in closed source, right? Okay, next session we will see what is the open source government, explain it. Okay, and open source ethics and social and financial impact of open source technology, and share software, share source. Okay, then after this point we will see the one type of practical of open source. Okay, so today's session over here. Thank you.